This short video, I'm going to show you how a properly structured IUL can provide you with tax-free retirement income and so much more. So first, let's break down how an IUL works. An IUL has two parts: the cash value. This is your money growing inside the policy, and over time, it can build up into tax-free retirement income. Then we have the death benefit. This is the life insurance part that pays out to your family if something happens to you. Every time you make a payment, part of it goes into the cash value and part into the death benefit. But here's where most people go wrong. Many agents set up the IUL to focus on the death benefit. But if your goal is tax-free retirement income and the money is structured the wrong way, you won't get the results you were expecting. Instead, when structured correctly, most of your premium goes into the cash value, where it can grow and compound over time. And yes, you do need some money going into the death benefit. That's what keeps the policy legally considered life insurance in the eyes of the IRS and gives you the tax-free advantage. But the key is keeping it at a minimum required level, so the majority of your money is working for your retirement. Here's another powerful feature of an IUL: indexing. Let's say the stock market goes up. You participate in a percentage of those gains. If the market goes down, you don't lose anything. You just stay flat. That's why an IUL protects you from market crashes. Since your money stays flat during market downturns, you don't have to recover from losses. The index account outperforms the market. One of the biggest advantages of an IUL is flexibility. Unlike traditional insurance or retirement accounts with rigid payment schedules, you're not locked in. With flexible premiums, you can contribute more when cash flow is strong to grow your policy faster, or contribute less during tight months and still keep your policy active. That means your plan adjusts to your life, not the other way around. It's built to move with you through different stages of your life. Flexible premiums give you control so your retirement plan grows on your terms. Since it is life insurance, you'll have protection for your family. When you die, your beneficiary will receive the death benefit. You'll also have living benefits that will pay out in case of critical, chronic, or terminal illness like heart attack, cancer, or stroke. Let's talk about the infinite banking concept. At its core, it's about becoming your own bank. Instead of borrowing money from a traditional bank, you use the cash value inside your life insurance policy. Here's how it works. As you contribute to your policy, your cash value grows. You can then borrow against that cash value to fund major purchases, opportunities, or for emergencies, all on your terms. And the best part, while you're using the money, your policy continues to grow as if you never touched it. That's the power of infinite banking. You get access to your money, tax advantage growth, protection for your family, all in one strategy. Control your money, finance your life, and build lasting wealth. Another advantage of an IUL: once you reach retirement age, you don't have to keep contributing. Your policy is designed to shift from funding mode to income mode. At that point, you have two powerful options. First, you can take lump sum withdrawals whenever you need them. That might be for a big purchase, a dream vacation, or an unexpected emergency, and you can do it tax-free. Second, you can set it up as a lifetime income stream, almost like a personal pension. This gives you predictable, tax-free income every year for the rest of your life, without worrying about stock market crashes or outliving your money. So in simple terms, you put money in while you're working, and when you retire, your IUL pays you back on your terms. Schedule your free consultation and let's find out how much income a properly structured IUL will give you in retirement.